Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of graphic design to explore an exciting tutorial on 3D logo design in Photoshop. Get ready to unleash your creativity and learn how to create stunning 3D visuals that will captivate your audience. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's get started. Click here and select Rectangular tool. Click here and pick Fill Color. Draw the shape like this. Make it duplicate to press and hold Alt plus click and drag. Ctrl plus D to repeat. Select Direct Selection tool. Press and hold Ctrl plus, pick and drag like this. Select shapes to click and drag like this. Click on Unite icon to create compound shape. Click here and select Type tool. Text here. Increase the text size to click here. Click here and select Font Style. Adjust the text accordingly. Select and fill font color. Select text, go to Object option and select Expand. Select all. Click here and select Shape Builder tool. Draw like this. Ungroup the shapes to right-click and select Ungroup. Click here and select Ellipse tool. Draw the shape. Pick shape color. Right-click, select Arrange and click Send to back. Go to Layer option, click here and lock ellipse shape like this. Select front shapes and make it group to press Ctrl plus G. Go to Effect option. Click Stylize and select Drop Shadow. Now we type the company logo name. Now I want change the shape color. So we ungroup the shape. Select this shape and fill white color. Yes, this look good. Select and bold this text. Now we add drop shadow to following previous process. Select the text and expand. Select text and add drop shadow effect to following previous process. 3D logo is ready. Now let's add the logo on image. Select logo, copy to press Ctrl plus C and paste here to press Ctrl plus V. Change text color to click here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates.